Hi Pajero lovers, this is Richard and today I'm actually in Kuching, another territory in Malaysia, in a territory called Sarawak. So just managed to buy another used Pajero, if you can see here, and I'll show you around later from the outside. So this is even cheaper than the one that I previously bought. So I have a couple of plans with this. Later I'm going to show and share the story with you throughout this video. So currently driving in Kuching. There's a lot of construction going on around here. You can see they're building they call it the autonomous transit system. But anyway, I've been driving this for a couple of minutes now. I can hear the sound of sounds like a wheel bearing or something. Surely it's not normal. You can hear the sound from the undercarriage. So maybe it's the wheel bearing and many other parts that need to be fixed. And I know for sure there's a problem with the body engine mounting, and that needs to be fixed as well. And I can actually smell strong diesel smell inside. Is it diesel or maybe it's engine oil? I don't know. Definitely there's a smell of oil inside. But I think it's going to be quite an interesting project. This one going to be similar to the other one, but seems like a much better condition compared to the other one. Slightly, I don't know. At least in general, it feels much better, but overall what's ugly is the whole paintwork outside. You're gonna take a look at it later. It's just plain ugly white color. It's really ugly. This is a V46 also, but a later model than mine, but I can see there's a lot of repairs that needs to be done. Okay, I've gone through the first experience, so everything was good with the other Pajero, so maybe this is another project to do. Let's see how it goes. So I'm at the old courthouse in Kuching. It's a historical site, but they have a nice cafes here, nice restaurants. We're gonna have an event tonight, so just drove the Pajero here, and yeah, luckily found a parking, and we're probably just gonna create a content later. We'll see how it goes. And so basically that's how it looks like. It's a white Pajero, formerly a V46. I believe it's a Fieldbuster, which is the later model, probably from 1996 or something. But let's have a look real quick. So this is how it looks like. Very I guess retro, not retro. Probably needs a lot of work in a sense. Not in general. I think probably it looks quite similar to my other Pajero, but then it's very similar to my other Pajero. But as you can see, it has been lifted. I'm not sure if it's been lifted or not, but it is much higher, and it has sport wheels. This is actually black. Quite interesting. Never knew there's a black version of this. This is also slightly different. There's a line on the side mirror like this one here. Mine doesn't. The other one doesn't have it. All the accessories are there, but this is not entirely looking too good. But in essence, this is how the Pajero looks like. There's even a snorkel here. So it's almost like ready for adventure. But then there's gonna be a lot of fixes, as you can see. See inside. Okay, at least the central lock is working. So this is the interior. I like the seat because it's the split type, so you can split the seats accordingly. There's an Android player. there's a hole in the middle there. The steering has been replaced, but I'm gonna replace it with the original steering. Right. Oops. First one. So far it has all this air conditioning system. A lot of missing parts here and there, just like the other one when I first got it. There's a lot of fancy stickers around this vehicle, so maybe it was used for an off-road adventure before, I don't know. But yeah, let's see how it looks like on the top. Looks fine. From the driver's side, also passenger side. So I noticed the carpet is the dark gray version, so mine is actually the lighter gray, so this is actually dark gray, so it looks slightly lighter on this phone because how the phone compensates the light. But it actually looks pretty good, right? Not too bad. So I got it this cheap. It's actually under 5 figures. Let's see if we can do this up and either use it or sell it. I do not know. So this is the engine bay. From the way I look at it, there seems to be some leaks over there. I'm not sure. It's like the steering wheel, that turbo system, there's a lot of oil there. But overall it looks okay from the look of it. Nothing serious, nothing strange. On this side it looks fairly clean overall. This side, you didn't get to check the bottom carriage. Underneath, and for some reason it has a manual locking hub. I thought it's supposed to come with a auto free hub. Right, that's the steering box. I heard the engine mounting is broken, that needs to be replaced because there's a lot of vibration happening, so that needs to be fixed, I think. So this is the 1996 Mitsubishi Pajero V46, the JDM model from Japan. It used to be very popular here in Sarawak, so that is why I also got the other one from Miri, which is another city located in Sarawak. There's really something about this vehicle. Just really like it in terms of the design, the feel, and you can feel this car was built and designed by truly passionate Japanese people, and you can feel it. So today this vehicle is going to be driven from Kuching to Kota Kinabalu, and I've hired someone to drive it. It will take about 2 days for over 1,000 kilometers. So I hope this vehicle will arrive in one piece. Buat YouTube video kan ni?
Oh, okey ya.
Ba okey.
Okey.
Selamat ya Superman ya, Superman ni. Milak Superman ke? Okey. Drive slow lah.
Okay,
Just
okay.
drive slow.
Ya.
Okay. Apa yang perlu ya? Ada remote-nya lah, dia punya kunci semua, biasalah. Itu saja.
Ekon okey ya?
Hah?
Ekon okey.
Ekon okey.
Yalah, mungkin jalannya pakai ekon sudah.
Ya.